Thalassemia is an anemia caused by abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin Hb. Okay, the term was used in 1932 when found infected person adjacent to Mediterranean Sea. From this term, Mediterranean Sea, thalassa was used. Thalassa means sea. This is Latinized term, thalassa. This was first described by Cooley, and this is also called Cooley's anemia. ঠিক আছে? Thalassemia types. Primarily two types, alpha and beta. এটা abnormal synthesis of alpha chain of Hb, আর এটা beta chain synthesis disturbed. Two alpha, two beta forms the Hb, hemoglobin. Two alpha, two beta. Therefore, if alpha or beta chain synthesis disturbed, no hemoglobin is available. This is the thalassemia. Another types, major and minor. Major thalassemia and minor thalassemia. Major thalassemia mostly beta thalassemia. This is mostly alpha thalassemia. Okay. Thalassemia is a genetic disease. Genes for beta thalassemia has been identified on the chromosome in one locus, and alpha thalassemia gene two locus, দুটো locus আছে. Okay. In case of beta thalassemia beta thal gene in human located on chromosome 11, and this gene is present in three forms: beta 0, beta plus, and beta 0 heterozygous condition beta plus beta 0. In case of beta plus beta 0, or in this case normal synthesis, but in this case minor synthesis and minor thalassemia, in this case minor, and this is the major thalassemia, major. No beta chain. Alpha gene located on two closely linked part. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 2. Alpha gene present in four locus, alpha, 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 alpha. If mutation occurs in these genes, then alpha thalassemia takes place. If single mutation, alpha plus alpha, this is mutant, alpha plus mild thalassemia, alpha plus alpha plus alpha, this is relatively drastic thalassemia, moderate, or alpha plus alpha, this is also moderate, alpha and alpha, this is severe thalassemia. If two alpha synthesized, then this binds with 2 beta, 2 alpha does not synthesis, does not available in heterozygous condition, but 4 beta available, then 2 beta, 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 HB produce करने, but this 2 beta will be excess and beta again form a different kinds of hemoglobin. This is Barth hemoglobin. Okay.